Hey there, kids. It's your friendly neighborhood Apple, and I'm here to brighten your day with some juicy secrets and funny stories about apples. So, buckle up and let's get this fruity adventure started. You know, apples like me are some of the oldest fruits in the world. Humans have been munching on us for over 4,000 years. That's a really, really long time. Just imagine, kids from ancient times would have been enjoying apples just like you do today. It's like we're a delicious time machine. And did you know there are over 7,500 different types of apples? Yup, 7,500. That's like having a new kind of apple every single day for more than 20 years. Some are red like me, some are green, and some are even yellow or pink. We come in all shapes and sizes, just like people. But I've got to say, I think I'm one of the tastiest of the bunch. Here's something cool. We apples float in water. That's right. It's because we're made up of 25% air. So, if you've ever played bobbing for apples, now you know why we always stay on top. It's like we're tiny fruity boats. Isn't that neat? And speaking of stars, let me tell you a little secret about my insides. When you cut an apple in half horizontally, guess what you'll see? A star shape right in the middle. It's like we're hiding little surprises just for you. How cool is that? Let's talk about what makes me so shiny. Farmers give apples like me a natural wax coating to keep us fresh and shiny. It's like wearing a protective jacket that helps us look our best until it's snack time. Stylish and practical, right? By the way, eating apples isn't just yummy, it's super good for your brain. That's right, we're packed with nutrients that help you think faster and stay sharp. So, the next time you're solving a tricky puzzle or doing homework, grab an apple. It's like brain fuel, but tastier. Here's another fun fact. If you sniff an apple slice, it smells a little bit like roses. Can you believe that? We're fruity and floral at the same time. It's like having two amazing scents rolled into one. Multi-talented, aren't we? And kids, do you know how long an apple tree can live? Over 100 years. Imagine all the apples it can grow in a century. If apple trees could talk, they'd have some amazing stories to tell. Maybe one day I'll star in a story of my own. And let's not forget how famous apples are. We're the stars of one of the most famous fairy tales ever, Snow White. But don't worry, I'm definitely one of the good apples, not the poisoned ones. Before I go, let me leave you with a little apple trick. Want to know how to pick the perfect apple? Look for smooth, firm skin and bright colors. That's how you know we're ready to be your snack time, buddy. All right, kids, it's time for me to roll back to the orchard. Remember to stay happy, healthy, and always keep a little apple magic in your day. Bye-bye, and stay fruity, my friends.